Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your site logo in Elementor and also the site title. So what I recommend, this is for everyone who has a pro version. If you have only the basic version, I don't think that I will be able to help you, but if you have the pro version, this is what you should do. Get rid of the title and all the logo here, because the WordPress, I think the logo and site title is not working really well with various templates. So what you want to do is go to settings, just click here general settings, and you're gonna see here the page layout. From default, you want to click Elementor canvas. You're gonna get rid of the header and also the footer and everything. So you get like the empty page, which is amazing. And now the fun begins, because right now we can create everything by ourselves, that we don't need to rely on WordPress. So let's click Ctrl-Shift-L, or if you have Mac, press Command-Shift-L. Now, here you want to click on blocks, and in category, you want to write header. Now, you're gonna have like a lot of headers here that you can use, but honestly, I recommend choosing this one or this one. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. Like, choose which one you actually like. I'm going to choose this one here. So right now, as you can see, we got perfect menu that I can center to middle. We got the number. These are like 3 columns. I could easily create it if I wouldn't have the pro version, but it is what it is. So as you can see, this is like the first column, which is our logo. And now you got like image size that you can change, or I can choose the image here. I can create myself an image in Photoshop or whatever. I would check like, okay, what is the pixels on this logo, and I would try to make it the same. So if you're gonna choose making logo, just change from 500 to 108, and then change also the title. And when you're gonna have it, just make it the same, and then just change it. So if I would have a logo here, so insert media, and voila, here we got it. Oh, the large is not going to work there because it's limited by the column right now. But yeah, so I can make it like this, little bit, opa, and I just okay. So this is how we actually do it. It's like really pretty easy, really simple. Navigator, header. You can change like the positioning of it. This is not going to work. Structure is not really needed here. Yeah, I'm looking right now for the no, the margin is okay. I'm really thinking like if there is a way. Okay, it's limited as much as it is. I can get it lower. So this is how we do it, and this is how you change the logo and everything. So do this, in my opinion. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.